Difference between cast aluminum and extruded aluminum. When manufacturers melt ingots of aluminum and its alloys and then pour it into a mold to give a particular product shape, this is cast aluminum. Casting aluminum products are made by different types of casting processes, such as sand casting, die casting, permanent mold casting, etc. On the other hand, when hot billets of aluminum and its alloys are pushed through a die in order to make a particular cross-section, this is extruded aluminum. Extruded aluminum products can be made by different types of extrusion processes, such as cold extrusion, hot extrusion, friction extrusion, micro extrusion, etc. The manufacturing process difference between cast aluminum and extruded aluminum is as following: product size. The size of cast aluminum products is not dependent on the size of ingots, while the size of extruded aluminum products is limited to the size of the billet. Product's shape. Cast aluminum products have more complex shapes than extruded aluminum products, which are simpler. Surface finish. Cast aluminum products have a rough surface finish after casting, whereas extruded aluminum products have a smoother surface finish after extrusion. Strength of part. Cast aluminum products are subjected to more defects and have less strength compared to extruded aluminum products, which have fewer defects and more strength. Die properties. Casting dies are costlier and do not last as long as extrusion dies, which are cheaper and last longer. Cost of production. For cast aluminum, short volume production costs more, but large volume production costs less. While for extruded aluminum, short volume production costs less, but large volume production costs more. Time of production. It takes more time to produce a part by casting than by extrusion, which takes less time.